How's it going, guys? Benjamin here with ProTech Installers. I'm finally here with the long-awaited tour of our first home theater. So this is the first home theater that I personally built here in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, for our lovely couple here. They have 2 children. We have a home theater that we built here. Probably took 4 or 5 months in between the basement renovation. So we have a front left, front right, and a center channel. We have 2 rear surrounds and 2 Dolby Atmos speakers. And then we have a subwoofer there in the back. So I'm gonna show you everything that's going on in this room. Just give you a little bit of tour of what happens when you hire ProTech to get a home theater installed for you. Give you a little bit of a look at the rack, at the Xbox setup that we have back here, and just kind of an overall look at the room, how the home theater was set up, the design process behind it. So let's take a look. This is beautifully designed, work with the contractor to get this all set up. Originally, we were gonna have all the devices into the rack, but we realized, hey, we don't really want this rack being open and closed all the time with the children. There's a lot of expensive equipment in there. So we talked with the contractor and we had a little shelf put in here at the top where we have the Xbox set up, a cable box, their Switch when they bring it down here, and then the other gaming consoles they might have in the future. This was a really, really nice setup design. We have the cables going back down there and going into the back of the rack. This rack actually pulls all the way out. Did a lot of cable extension here. Gave it about, I wanna say 7 or 8 feet to be able to pull it out and be serviced. It's very, very important. The homeowner is probably never gonna touch this. There should be no reason why this ever gets opened by them unless they need to restart something or something of that nature. But for the most part, this rack is there, so they have access to all their equipment if they need it, and for technicians like me to be able to come and service it. We have a nave point rack here. This is a 15U unit. Up top here, we have a Denon AVR 2700H. This is a 7.2 channel receiver that puts out beautiful audio. We have this controlling pretty much all the audio within this room. And then we have a patch panel, nicely labeled with a TP-Link SG 1016 16 port gigabit switch. Now, initially we were going to wire in each Sonos port individually, which is why we have a 24 port patch panel, but we figured, hey, we can actually daisy chain these together. Sonos provides a dual Ethernet port in the back where you can daisy chain each port to another one. So we didn't even have to use that. So we have a lot of room for future expansion. If they need to add many more internet devices, we have the main internet for the house coming down here. And then if we move down, we have a Dayton Audio MA1240A multi-zone amplifier, which is powering all of the in-ceiling speakers throughout the home. 2 in this room here that it is powering, and then there are 5 more zones inside and outside of the home that are being powered by this audio amplifier. At the bottom, we actually have 7 Sonos ports that are going to be providing audio to all of those zones throughout the home. It's an expensive setup. These ports run about $449 a piece, so times it by 7, yeah, it gets up there. But if you want good quality audio that can be controlled through your phone, you don't have to mess with volume knobs, it's gonna sound fantastic, very convenient, very easy to use. This is the way to go. And then just at the bottom, we have a couple StarTech power distribution units. Probably, I don't really go with these anymore. I've transitioned over to the Pile power distribution units that have 16 outlets, but this is what we did for them. It was just the cheapest alternative, provides power for the whole unit. So I will show you the back here now on screen. You can see all the cable management, all of the wire management, everything is nicely labeled, everything is nicely Velcroed. It is beautifully wrapped around the case. Make sure that any technician that comes in here in the future is going to be able to service it. That is so important. I might not be coming back to this rack in 5 or 6 years. I might not be around in this area. I want to be able to provide the technician, if there are any issues, them to be able to service it. Now here's the star of the show. We have the LG 83-inch TV here. This is not an OLED panel, but this is a Q LED panel by LG, or it's their mini LED, I believe. The contractor and the homeowners really, really did a nice job with this cabinetry, and it fits the TV beautifully. Up here we have some clip speakers. I'll pop up the model number here for you, but we have 2, which is our left and right, and then we have our center channel down there below the TV. In the ceiling here, we have a couple more clip speakers. These are 6-inch speakers in the front for Dolby Atmos. and 8-inch speakers in the back here for your left and right surrounds. There's still a bit of painting to do, some sanding to do. This is gonna be my last day here, so I wanted to get this filmed and put out for you guys. But yeah, I'll come back and take some pictures once this room is all finished. And then last but not least, part of this speaker setup is a 10-inch subwoofer here in the back. Cut a hole out in the wall. We're gonna be putting Velcro in this panel on top. Really nice clean bass going out of there. So yeah, I'm really proud of this home theater. It sounds absolutely incredible. I'm actually gonna give you a little bit of a demo here. So if we turn this up.
Whether I find this world or alone, I've gotta be me, I've gotta be me. What else can I be but what I am? I want to live, not merely survive. And I won't give up this dream of life that keeps me alive. What do we have here? I've gotta be me, I've gotta be me. Telling the tide to do or die, I've gotta be me. I can't be right.
This girl's gonna get home safe tonight. I hope these assholes like hospital food.
And that is it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this home theater, how it turned out. Did the calibration for these theater speakers, actually did that today. So they had these speakers and the TV up for about a week now without it being calibrated. And as soon as I went through the calibration process with that denim receiver, everything sounds beautiful. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. We got a few more things to do here, and then I'm gonna be out of here. It's gonna be sad. I've been here the last 5 months, really developed a really nice relationship with these homeowners. They are great people, really nice to work with, been very accommodating, very understanding of supply chain issues and everything like that. So very happy to be able to get this home theater out. If you guys are interested in any home theater or smart home work, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the number below. You can also reach us at protechinstallers.com, where you can submit a request for a quote, or you can just shoot us an email at contact@protechinstallers.com. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Peace.
Car number 6, we are moving. 4 Alpha, repeat 4 Alpha, window seat distinct on all sides.
Copy that.
Speed 238 kilometers per hour and holding steady. You alright over there? I do love Captain me some bad guys. Wait. Civilian in play, repeat, civilian in play.